Okay, well, Manisha, we're going to leave it at that and stick it by the story of the day, which quite clearly is pharmaceuticals. Lupin, that's your big performer right now. Let's bring on board then Sarabjit Kour Nangra, and she joins in to discuss news on Lupin. Remember, they have undertaken a 200% price rise on their diabetes drug. Sarabjit, hi, good morning. What is it that you've made of this price hike that Lupin has undertaken for Fortimet, and how big is this market and the opportunity for Lupin because of this price rise?
The opportunity product before price rise is somewhere around 70 to $100 million product. So after the price rise, definitely a price rise is a huge one. And since it's a low competition product, it will definitely accrue to the overall sales growth and obviously operating margins also. Our rough estimates that if it continues into the next year, the OPM impact would be in the range of 2 to 3%. So to that extent, the company will definitely have a positive impact on the EPS, because definitely price hikes will add to the profitability. But it will percolate to the extent of 2 to 3% only, because the product itself is small, and given the size, even after price hike also, it will be just to the extent of 2 to 3% on the top line. So I guess so. Our estimate is that the earnings could see an expansion of up to 15 to 20% on the EPS front because of this. And as far as the main point is about the positivity is that the competing product has taken a hike of around 8 times, I guess. So that is what leaves some scope for, and because the competitive pressure in this product Fortimet is lower, there could be further hikes coming in later on also. But these hikes are, dependent upon various factors. But I guess definitely it will add up to the 2 to 3% on OPM, and hence 15 to 20% on the EPS upgrade should happen because of the same.
When you were working with your estimates for FY16, were you building in a Fortimet upside, or this is more like a surprise?
In product categories, like in Sun Pharma has seen a couple of products see a price hike and then subsequently fade out. So these kind of things happen as competition keeps on changing, landscape changes. So with competitive product increasing its price significantly higher, there has come an opportunity for this generic to increase its prices. Nonetheless, this is a generic product. So these opportunities come and go by, actually. So we were not factoring in. That's what I said. It's a positive development, but sustainability over a long period is doubtful. So I guess max to max till next year they can stretch it out. So possible OPM expansion of 3% should happen, and that should see an upgrade of EPS to the extent of 15 to 20%.
Sarabjit, good chatting with you. Thank you for taking the time out and really analyzing what this means for Lupin, which indeed is your star performer, as it's undertaken a 200% price hike for its diabetes drug, Fortimet. The stock has settled down. It's still holding up strongly, though, by a good 3.25%, but it's definitely eased off from the top that it was earlier clocking. But is that